to the video, y'all. It's me and the XRT here, and in today's video I'm recapping all my moments I've had, all my best moments I've seen on camera, from car shows to Destin, from car shows to Pensacola, from car shows to Mississippi. I've been all around in 3 states, and I even been in Mexico one time. Next year's gonna be even better videos. I'm gonna try and pop out more vlogs, pop out more car shows, pop out more different material than just car shows. So don't forget to like and subscribe to see more future content. I'm going all over the world 2025. See y'all in the next video.
Ford GT Sunlight. We got the same brakes.
Me too.
I know. They going crazy. He said I would get. He ain't had no tag either, so I knew he was dangerous, bro. He's going to the bike. The bike ain't do nothing if you're going for that bike, bro.
Dude, no, he's going for that fucking Mustang.
Yeah.
He's going for the Mustang.
Hey. We're the bravest person I know, bro. Yes, sir. Where's the water, man? Oh my God! We heading on over to OI, y'all. Hold on. Make it pop. Let me hear it.